Hey guys, today I will be showing you guys how to make this slime, and it's fluffy but really soft slime. It feels like marshmallows, like marshmallow float, and it makes a perfect noise. So this is perfect for all you guys that are slime pokers and love slime, and this is really good. So first, we'll need some Elmer's school glue, water, optional food coloring, shaving cream, which I don't have, something to mix with, a bowl, and detergent, which I also don't have right now. So first we're gonna put the glue into the ball, and yeah, then I'm gonna put some water, just a little, not too much, there, and I'm gonna mix it and come back. After mixing, we're gonna add 1 drop of food coloring, and then we're gonna mix it again. So I just finished, and I brought some detergent, and add little by little. That's why I like putting it in a cup, because the big detergent box is way too big for me to hold, and I lose control. So you guys see how it's coming into slime? Keep adding little by little until it comes to slime, and I'll show you guys how it looks like after. Since it looks like this and there's some like left over there, you leave it for about like 1 minute, and then it will like kind of dry up, and you can mix it and it turns into slime. So this is how it looks like right now, and then I'll come to you guys after I do that.
So now that it's slime, we're gonna add some shaving cream because it was supposed to be
Fluffy slime?
Yeah.
So it's gonna make it fluffy. We'll be back to you after. Okay, so we're gonna mix it, and it's gonna look bad at first, but then keep mixing. So see, all the shaving cream goes everywhere, but keep mixing.
And then because the slime is gonna go everywhere, and then it's gonna get more shaving cream. Then like it's you.
Cousin for us. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna come back to you guys after that. Okay, so after mixing, it looks really cool, fluffy, and pretty, and it feels really good. So I'm gonna mix it into my other slime, and yeah, so this is it for the video. Actually, no, it's not, but because now I want to show you guys how I make my own clear slime. So yeah. So now we're gonna show you guys how to make this slime. It's really clear, except I was playing with it and it got some air bubbles, but if you stretch it, it turns crystal clear. So yeah, the things you will need are
water, detergent, and gel glue, and
something to mix with,
and a bowl.
So yeah, let's get on to the slime video.
So first we're gonna add some gel glue.
And anyway,
really cool.
you guys don't have to use gel glue. You can use clear glue, but the gel gives it a weird texture like jelly. So
and
that's why we use it.
And it gives you some color, like a blue color.
And so does the detergent.
Yep.
Okay, then what will we add?
We're gonna add some water and then detergent.
First water.
Yeah, first water and then detergent. Just add like a little
by little. So I'll come back when we're done mixing it. So I added a little more water and glue. So next, what are we gonna add, Hassan?
We're gonna add some
just a little detergent.
Yeah, just a little, because
less than the white one, because this one it absorbs the detergent faster. So like keep adding little by little and see how it's already turning into slime. Yeah. So do not add a lot, because I keep failing at this. It's so hard to make. So yeah, I'll talk to you guys when I'm done. So guys, this does not look exactly clear because I mixed it way too much, because it was about to be a fail, so I had to save it. So I mixed it way too much. That's why it looks like this. But if you leave it for like a few, not even a few days, like 1 or 2 days, since you added water, it's gonna make it clear faster. So yeah. So these are So these are the 2 slimes we made. And yeah, like this video and subscribe for more slime videos. Oh no, okay. And yeah.